Good morning, everyone. Andy here. Hope you guys are doing exceptionally well this morning. It is Wednesday, August 15th, and I am very excited and proud to say we followed up yesterday's outstanding day of trading with another phenomenal day of trading here with the Sniper Pulse Extreme Black Line Cross Auto Signal Calling Indicator. That's a bit of a mouthful. Let's scroll back. And you know what? We'll go ahead and take things all the way back to midnight. Guys, give me about 20 seconds. I will be right back. Give me 20 seconds. Sorry about that delay, and let's dive in here. So just after midnight Eastern time, I think we've had two losing trades since then. One you can see on the screen right now. And it's just been, a phenomenal display of accuracy from the Sniper Extreme, even in the light of the reality that we haven't had exceptional price action. The Sniper thrives and trades so extremely well during high volatility, wide range moves and so on. But even in the midst of a much more subdued overall price action, take a look at the success of this auto system, auto signal calling Sniper Extreme. Got long here just before 1 a.m. Eastern for a nice win. Then we did get sucked into a black box short here. However, if you're using any discretion at all, one of the biggest tools we tell you to look at using in your favor is the action line. And the action line is black this whole time. You would not want to get short there. You'd want to wait till the action line is sloping in your favor, so you could have easily avoided that loss. Right back on the winning ways here. Boom. And then black line. For those of you that might be watching this video for the first time, these signals are generated when this black line here in the pulse indicator crosses from the colored area into the gray area. And then we get a down closed bar. Boom, we're short. And this auto-generated arrow pops up on the screen. Very easy to anticipate in advance, get our orders in. Then the market fills us when the next bar opens and we're off to the races. Look at this gorgeous win just before 4 a.m. So let me keep a tally here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And then we get short off of some really nice topping action here. 5 and 1. 6 and 1 just after 7:12 a.m. 7 and 1 long just after 8:30. 8 and 1 short just after 8:41. 9 and 1 long just after 8:50. And then this short here, not a huge winner, only got about 7 ticks into the profit, but that's enough to call it a win. That's 10, then 11, 12. You'll see most of these winners have 9 to 15, 16, 17 ticks, but we call a trade a winner as long as it gets at least 6 or 7 ticks. Shoot, I think this was 10, this was 11, this was 12, and this is 13. And now we're into the day session. 13 winners, or 12 winners, 1 loss in the pre-market, midnight to 9:30 a.m. And now let's see how we did during the day session. That's 13, 14 winners. We don't count this win here as it occurred right at 10:30, which was right when the crude oil inventory reports came out. So we're not going to count that one. And I think this is number 15. Gorgeous. 16, 17, 18 winners, and here's our second loss. Similar trade to that last one. You can see a lot of black on our action line. The action line never really got sloping down. So it'd be somewhat easy to avoid that trade. I think I said we were up to 18 or 19 wins. 20, and now we're just into another long right now. So I think we got up to 20 wins on, is that 2 or 3 losses? I think only 2, right? Yeah, pretty sure 20 wins on 2 losses. Not too shabby. Midnight to the present time. Let me drop crude oil and bring the DAX over. The DAX yesterday was 9 winners. That's right, 9 winners and 1 loss since the NYSE, or no, since around 9 o'clock or 8:50. That's what it did yesterday. Tremendous. We highlighted that. Let's take a look at what it did today. We'll take the DAX all the way back to the pre-market as well. The Europe opens around 2 o'clock or so, so we'll look from there on. And starts with an incredible short, huge profits available for those that hold runners. Long here. The stop strategy we've been using in our recent market recaps and in the live room is a new, more robust stop management that I've been teaching to the sniper team, which involves not just having a flat 6-tick or 8-tick or 10-tick stop, but rather letting the market tell us where to place our stop or when to get out. So you put a catastrophic stop somewhere. You always want to have a stop in the market, but then you wait for the action line once you're in the trade to move against you twice. And you can see here it moved against us once. It never moved against us twice, so we stay in this trade for the big win. And it's a very powerful way to increase your win percentage. I like to add on at value, so I get into this trade at the standard entry and then about 8 ticks further back, and then huge win on both entries. Winner number 3, just after 439. Winner number 4 on the buy side. Nice sized win, number 5 here. And again, look at the size and magnitude of most of these wins. Winner number 6, just after 740. Winner number 7, number 8, and number 9, between 8:30 and 9. And we did get a losing trade here. However, same theme. You know, if you're waiting for that action line to hook in your favor, you would not have taken that trade. I think this is winner number 10. So we're 10 and 1. We continue on, and not too many trades in through there. So 11. So 11 and 1 today in the DAX. Listen, guys, are these conditions ideal? Is the price action painting in, you know, at a really high level? No, it's not. And that's what makes it even more impressive and more exciting to me to see these tools cranking out these types of results. One of the things that we've taught our sniper owners to do is when you have dramatic market shifts, it's okay to adjust your tools. We hadn't made an adjustment in our tools for about 9 months, a major adjustment in our sniper tools for about 9 months. But then when we strolled into the summer here, we did make a relatively main adjustment in our Sniper Extreme. Instead of having our settings for most of the markets being 2 through 11, we increased those. For example, crude oil, we're using 6 through 15. Gold, we're using 7 through 16. And so on. And what changing our settings ever so slightly has done is given us the ability to weed out some of the whipsaw trades that occur on the more aggressive settings during the summer months when the market is more consolidated and not giving us the wider ranges that we're used to. When the markets are trading with more volatility and wider ranges, the more aggressive settings are outstanding because we get more follow-through on the majority of each signal. But in the summer, that's a little different. But isn't it exciting and powerful to know that we can adjust and produce these types of results that we've been showing you guys in these recap videos throughout the summer? Pretty powerful, pretty exciting in my book. All right, so that's a wrap for The sniper, Jerry's going to come in here and conduct the strategic prep session. After that, those of you that have purchased the 2012 Las Vegas seminar are in for a treat. Jerry's doing a special session where he's going to highlight all of the trades that have been executed by the bonus system that's coming along as part of the Las Vegas Seminar 2012 package. And it has been kicking tail. It's had a winning week every week for the last forever, pretty much. And it's been averaging over $1,000 a week. Very, very powerful, very, very cool. If you happen to be listening to this recording and you're wondering, what's the Las Vegas Seminar? Shoot me an email, ajc61@yahoo.com. We have a few spots left for live attendance. We're almost sold out, but not quite. We have a few spots left for live attendance of the seminar. And since we are getting near selling out, we're working on some ways for those of you that maybe are not able to attend live but want to receive all this incredible information to still have the opportunity to do that. So we're working on some ways that we think are going to be pretty cool. So if you like the sounds of what you've heard about the fully automated, unbelievable edge, the bonus system that we've talked so much about, that Jerry's never taught to anyone before, and probably never will teach to anyone again, but this small group of people that purchased the Las Vegas seminar are going to get this incredible system. And then, of course, the unbelievable hours of incredible sniper stuff we're doing in Las Vegas, on and on and on and on. There's probably 3 different segments, all on their own, are worth twice the cost of the seminar. The bonus materials worth 3 or 4 times the cost of the seminar. The standard seminar content that Jerry's teaching is worth the cost of the seminar plus. The sniper content that I'm teaching is worth the seminar plus. So this is an unreal value, guys. Take advantage. So that's a wrap. Listen, we've been rocking this week, so let's keep it going tomorrow. I look forward to seeing everyone back here bright and early tomorrow, and we'll do it again. Take care. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.